Shh! Something got broken in Krishna's house, and only one person knows who did it. Krishna knows. Right now, he's staring at that broken pot. Uh-oh. Have you ever broken something and felt that wiggly, scared feeling in your tummy? Krishna felt it too. Will he hide it or tell the truth? Let's find out. In Krishna's house in Vrindavan, Ma Yashoda had one very special pot. Tall, round, painted with flowers and dancing peacocks. And inside was the thickest, creamiest butter. Now, you know Krishna and butter are best friends.
Even while sleeping, he dreams about butter. But Ma Yashoda always said,
Krishna, my love, that butter is for everyone in our home, not just for little fingers that sneak in at night.
Yes, Ma. Of course, Ma. Maybe just a little bit, Ma.
One afternoon, Ma was not home. The house was quiet. The butter was right there. And Krishna was also right there. Uh-oh. And then two voices started talking.
Quick, Krishna, hide the pieces. Blame the cat. Say the wind did it. Mama will never know. Run! Krishna, Ma deserves to know the truth. Even if it's scary, even if she's upset, the truth is always the right thing. Ma Yashoda came back inside and stopped.
Krishna, what happened?
Ma, I broke your pot. I was trying to reach the butter and it fell. I didn't mean to, but I did it. I'm sorry, Ma.
Krishna, I'm upset about my pot, but do you know what makes me more happy? That you told me the truth. That is worth more than 100 pots. The truth is always the bravest thing, and you are brave. Krishna, my love, no butter, 2 days, because actions have consequences.
You and me, we're friends now, right? So tell me honestly, if you were there in Vrindavan that day, standing right next to me, what would you have told me to do? I thought so. You're a good friend. If you love this story, give it a big thumbs up. Bye-bye.